At first glance, this looks like an ordinary photograph. But look closer. Every shadow, every beam of light, every tiny detail has been carefully designed to create emotion. The world's greatest photographers don't simply capture reality, they create it. Today, you'll discover the hidden techniques that transform simple images into museum-worthy masterpieces. Once you understand these secrets, you'll never look at photography the same way again. There is a profound unspoken story in the human form. Every scar, every freckle, every stretch mark tells a tale of a life lived, of resilience, and of unique beauty. It's a narrative written not in words, but in the very essence of our being. It is a landscape of gentle curves and powerful lines. It is a landscape of quiet strength and profound vulnerability. It's a terrain of texture and shadow, where light can reveal the softest downy hair on an arm or the intricate map of veins on a hand. Fine art nude photography is a thoughtful exploration of that personal landscape. Its purpose is not simply to reveal the body, but to truly see the person. It's about abstracting the form, focusing on shape and shadow to evoke emotion rather than to document reality. This video essay will guide you through this gentle, deeply body-positive art form. We believe that every body is worthy of being seen as art, regardless of age, shape, size, or history. The entire experience is designed to be a calm and kind process. It puts absolute respect for the person and a deep reverence for their form above all else. The camera is secondary to the comfort and dignity of the individual in front of it. Our goal is to show you how to create fine art nude photographs with immense care and clear, compassionate intention. This is about transforming the human body into a timeless work of art, an act of celebration. This is a journey into quiet magic. It is about slowing down, breathing, and being present in the moment. It's about observing the way light gracefully falls across a shoulder, revealing its form. It's about capturing the elegant, powerful line of a spine. Ultimately, it is a collaboration, a delicate dance of trust and mutual respect between artist and subject, creating something beautiful together. Every great photograph begins long before the camera is ever picked up. It starts with a clear, gentle idea. What is the feeling you wish to evoke? Serenity, strength, melancholy, joy? Write this vision down, sketch it out. This thought becomes the North Star for your session. Then the most important conversation begins. Consent. It must be clear, continuous, enthusiastic. Before scheduling, share your ideas. Explain what you hope to shoot. Discuss how and where the images might be used. Portfolio, gallery, online. Make it easy and respected for someone to say no. A written agreement builds trust. The environment is an extension of safety. It must be a sanctuary. Control light and privacy. Prevent interruptions. Create a calm, focused atmosphere, secure and private. Tangible care matters. Warmth, hydration, comfort. Safety allows the true self to emerge. Light is your primary tool. It is the brush with which you will paint your image. Think of it not just as illumination, but as the very substance that sculpts form and evokes emotion. For this gentle approach, soft light is your greatest ally. It is forgiving and kind, wrapping the body in a tender embrace that smooths skin and softens contours, creating a feeling of peace and acceptance. To achieve this, use a large light source, a big window with diffused daylight, a softbox, or a shoot-through umbrella. Place it to one side of your subject, typically at a 45-degree angle. This classic placement creates a beautiful interplay of light and shadow, revealing shape without being harsh. Let that light kiss the high points of the body, the cheekbone, the shoulder, the curve of the hip, and allow the shadows to fall into gentle darkness. This is where the form is defined and the mood is set. Now let's talk about your camera. Simplicity is key. You do not need the most expensive or complex gear to create profound work. A reliable camera body and a single quality lens are more than enough. Use what you know and what feels comfortable. A prime lens like a 50mm or 85mm offers a natural, flattering perspective without distortion. Crucially, these focal lengths allow you to maintain a respectful working distance, ensuring your subject never feels crowded and their personal space is honored. For your settings, keep the ISO as low as possible, ideally 100 or 200, to ensure clean, noise-free images with maximum detail. Choose a wider aperture, perhaps around f2.8, to softly separate the subject from the background. Then, adjust your shutter speed to achieve the perfect exposure. This combination of low ISO and a wide aperture creates that dreamy, focused look where the human form is the clear hero of the image. Beyond the technical, your composition is what guides the eye and tells the story. Pay attention to the elegant language of shapes, lines, and the power of negative space. Remember, you do not need to show the entire body to capture the essence of a person. Try cropping in close. Attend to the small poetic details, the graceful curve of the back, the story told by delicate fingers, the soft hair on the nape of the neck. These fragments can be more powerful than the whole. Place your subject off-center to create a more dynamic and engaging frame. Use natural lines within the environment to lead the viewer's eye toward the form. The empty space is not empty at all. It is breathing room. Negative space is as important as the body itself, giving it context and a place to exist peacefully. If you introduce props like fabric or a simple stool, use them with clear intention. They should never overpower the subject, but only support the mood and the pose. Give the subject something to hold, lean against, or rest upon. Let it serve the poem of the image, adding a layer of texture or a point of interaction. In the end, every element in your frame, the light, the pose, the crop, the space, must earn its place. Posing in nude photography is not about stiff, unnatural shapes. Seek comfortable, elegant forms that feel authentic. Guide with suggestion. Demonstrate with your own hands. Say, imagine you are stretching toward the light. Always ask, does this feel comfortable for you? Discomfort never looks beautiful. Relaxation births grace. Explore simple positions, seated, lying, standing, each with its own energy. Encourage small, subtle movements. Use hands, hair, or fabric for modesty when desired. Creativity lives in small details, textures that add depth. Change perspective. Getting low can feel powerful and sculptural. Shoot through objects like glass for layered images. Backlighting creates an ethereal silhouette. Maintain encouragement. Brief breaks. Praise collaboration. You are creating art with them. The final stage of our collaboration happens on the computer, in the digital darkroom. This isn't a space for correction, but for completion. The same respect and care that guided the photo shoot must continue to guide every click and adjustment you make. Your goal is to enhance the mood and inherent beauty of the form, not to create an unrealistic or idealized body. We are finishing a piece of art, not manufacturing a product. This means avoiding the temptation to over-smooth skin. Let the natural, beautiful texture of the human body live within the image. Freckles, stretch marks, small scars, these are not flaws. They are the unique, intimate story of a person's life written on their skin. To erase them is to erase a part of their truth. Heavy-handed edits can feel like an unspoken judgment. Keep your work grounded in reality and honesty, honoring the person who trusted you. Instead, focus your energy on the artistic tools, refining light, deepening color, and adjusting contrast. Gently sculpt with light and shadow to guide the viewer's eye, emphasizing the elegant lines and shapes you captured during the session. If color ever feels like a distraction from the form or emotion, consider converting to black and white to reveal the image's fundamental soul. Always work on a duplicate file. This is a simple but crucial step to preserve the original, untouched image as a digital negative. Once your work is complete, file security and privacy are paramount. Store the images in encrypted folders, and use password-protected, physically secure hard drives. Before sharing any final images, send a private, watermarked gallery for review. Get explicit, written approval for each individual photo. A blanket release form is a good legal starting point, but a specific, final check-in on the edited images is a sign of profound respect. Never, ever post or publish a photograph that has not been enthusiastically approved. This final layer of trust is sacred. From the first email to the final file delivery, fine art nude photography is an art form built on a foundation of trust, kindness, and a shared creative vision. Thank your collaborators generously for their vulnerability and partnership. Let every photograph you create be a testament that honors both the body and the person, a quiet, lasting piece of magic.